In this video, we will be seeing how to add a column to existing table in Oracle database. So for already existing table, if you want to add a new column, then you can use the alter table command along with the add column command. So for that, we need to use the syntax alter table name, add keyword followed by column name followed by the data type for the column. So as an example, we can take alter table, student is the table name, add column, course column I want to add with the data type as varchar. 10 is the limit of letters. So here is SQL command line where we have selected the data of student table, and you can see there are only two columns, ID and name. So I want to add course column to this existing student table. So for that, I will be using alter command on it, alter table command. So for that, alter table name is student table, and I will be adding a column to it. So add column name I want as course, and its data type I want as varchar 10. So here we got a error. Alter table student table, add column course, varchar 10 as the data type I have given. So it is giving as invalid identifier the so there is no column keyword in it. Just we need to add directly the column name along with the data type. So let's change in the syntax, add column name and data type. So we got the table altered, and then we are again selecting. We can see there is a course column added to the existing student table. So this way we can alter the existing table for adding a column and for removing. And in case if you want to remove the column from it, then you can use alter table student table, drop column name. So in this case, you need to use the column keyword, alter table name, drop column course. So when I run it, I will be getting the table altered. Now again, if you see, there is no course column. So for dropping of column, like here we have seen adding of column. Similarly, if we say drop column, so for this syntax is alter table name, drop column name. No need of mentioning data type and all. So this is the syntax for which we have taken the example like this. So this can be taken as example. So example. So alter table student table, drop column course. So column keyword is used here, whereas while adding the column, we don't use the column keyword. So in some databases, we will be using, in Oracle, we don't use. So add column name, data type directly. Add keyword followed by the name of column. No need of column keyword in between. Directly the column name followed by the data type. So this is the syntax or rule for adding a column. And this is a syntax or rule for removing or dropping of column from existing table in Oracle database. So thank you for watching the video, and more about alter command and other SQL commands we will be seeing in coming videos. So please do subscribe channel for SQL updates and also for other computer programming languages.